Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kigekos kiamesa yamangana Amayia. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Manjito ibyawe tasenige Nsoko TV ni walire Ibere na wika Chinsa Isano Ibere chia bono mugaso chinga kina kwarigeni Amayia asentra yo wengi kransuke irinyere mragende twatoka kurwa Chinsemo au Mereskense ya Kenya kurende kurase county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira mwasobono okwarigania asensemo yeto ya Facebook digital na bwigo asensemo ya YouTube irinyere go kwemanya egati ya to kwariganiriti. Manjito Mulgeria Kyombekia Bateresa nse ya Kenya National Union of Nurses kuse KNUN me county ya Kisii nigolitukuria rero baesokire na kugenda somo tumuko asibatebire buno nigo bakwenda somo gire kiagere serikali ye county ya Kisii na bigo bateresa kurochi county au nigo bagendete wesokia asibatebire buno serikali terategera amaganiabo na bigo nigo barachikunyara bakogenda mugiro bagalitukuria serikali iranyare kegotegerera arabigo gukirania amagania bo Manjito Mulgeria turatege gati ari banyara bagukwana omwasolero kigatubanyara bagukwakumerana ase hoteli ya masomo cyobosongo na gukwana nabararia.
We have invited the fourth estate to officially start a nationwide strike which started yesterday night, and it has been commenced officially by these members who are with us, and we want to advise the public of Kisii that there are our people look for other alternatives in private facilities. We are not in fight with the county government, and they know very well that we are in fight with the Council of Governors. Anything that they have goodwill to the nurses of Kisii County, let them direct it to the Council of Governors to solve the stalemates.
Today we have gathered here with a large number of nurses to rehearsal our strike. Our strike notice was issued 22nd of July this year, and actually we have the issues that we are going to highlight because of the nurses' demand. The first thing is actually the Council of Governors. These are the guys we have engaged to have a corrective bargaining agreement, but they have refused to come on the table. So our major issues are failure to negotiate and conclude the CPA 2025 to 2029. So they have failed to come on the table to negotiate with us. Failure to provide an implementation matrix for 2017 return to work formula. This has been done in the press for a long period. We have tried to negotiate with them and they have failed to come on the table. So it's one of the major issues that we have gone on the strike. Okay, another thing is about the UHC. You are aware the UHC were confirmed, but they have not been given officially the letters that confirm them to permanent and pensionable. We are not affiliated to any politician. We are professional of integrity, and we will be at home until these issues have been solved. Kwa hivyo, wananchi, msione tumewadharau ama tumewadhulumu kwa kutowapea services. Sisi tunataka haki yetu yenye tumepigania kwa miaka mingi na ichawahi timizwa. Kwa hivyo nataka kuambia nurses, you stay at home, you listen your leaders until this thing has been solved.
Manjito murigeria buna bateresa bagendete gusaba engeri abo nyarige kwiwekana kuri nigo bagendete gukora umugiro bo kuri wa Chinsemo humiense ya Kenya kuri ngoro asomo cyo Nairobi naro niga bateresa besokire na kuboira serikali ya county ya Nairobi na biga serikali ya nene kwerekea bunangu ya swanire eri banyare bagwikiranirwa engeri abo.
Toiling and breaking your bones. They call you the backbone of health sector. But I want to tell them, you are not only a backbone of health sector, you are the heartbeat of health sector. Today, there is no service. Why? Because the heartbeat is not functioning. And we are telling them, if you are only concerned about our numbers when we are giving service, and when it comes to compensation, our numbers is mind-boggling, then continue with your mind that is being boggled. And we are saying the risk compensation should not be pegged on title. A doctor should not get that risk compensation higher than any other person because of the title, the professional title. A nurse makes critical and crucial decisions which are risk. Risk is also equal to the duration of contact with risk factors, the infection. And our justifications and arguments are very mature. We are saying, so long as I'm still, as a nurse, going to stay in risky areas, interacting with infections for 24 hours in a day, we are going to be paid better risk than any other person. So long as...
Manjito murigeria tugusika mutwe niga bamenyi bekinyoro kya Nyambogo kirase wodi ya Busamaro bunge ya West Mugrango me county ya Mera besokire na gusoma bubungo abo musike Steven Mogaka kubakonya kwiranirwe transformer heiba koteba nigo yeretwe na KPLC asigeka kimetinye tato ejo yalire na nigo batebire nigo bamete bono asomo sunte kiento kyabaire okongu
ekenyolene jeito ga Nyambogo ifakti twabeire musunta matuka mange sana kesabaga tuburite transformer ya maegaga yarirange mitinye tate migima kende nkeyo no ena asobo toko jaji jisimi atayo yoko yositi tinga buna bone tingerega yo mwana mito masira no toka ndatwasera bona abantu bakanda pakikolo mwino baji gosiororo abande bagenda paka kianungu mwino baji gosiororo obuibi buka bwe transformer yani bwe tikepo Jimita kirege into bwabeire bole igoro sana esauri tutabuga ati bono bamayitinga morero to no chaibi no ene ke bobune yu na mayitikende ngekora mwafiki kaki ukusaba kubitu nkolinga aseri ichumbe aso wanja kwao ntubona abo kubisi mugirango paka mubwatera nene ngoko
esitima ya kaire twe transforme kairuko rwaiga Nyambogo emetienye tato ya erire Wana toko jikorosi chindagira toko tere kanse tuanya tuata chirobo kima bori tuaruga. Ntobwa atie esitime se tokorore robo kime se tuatereka. Nonya ne suguria toko jiko iyora gochia kwanyora kwa tuo milio mwana suguria musamba. Kaki tuare ko sabari ichumbe buna anche ba cheta baibi bakangi bere tura emita. Wana timbwa ati emite yinkororera sitima te iyo bwone. Igongo chikoya ko ano ena bana bako ewo mugwaki koruchi sukuru mbari gosoma
Todo koragas obuyi bwabeire bokorekana ke system agenda amatoke tukoiberu chingoko toikoiberu no ene chimita tuaetwe babeire bagotokiura abaibi ono mochi tware gosaba asomweshimiwa Steve Mogaka lichumbe litokonye elinde tonyore transformer ya Nyambogo ndatunyara konyora umuriro
Nabigo manjito murigeria kyombe kia IEBC siyo buraibwae edekoni nigatebire buna kigendete kwebeka nabigo kubekemero biryo yokwenekya buna bochori bo mwaka go chango chibore kunyara bogo ikirana nabigo korekana achinchira chiria bogwenerete.
You know it costs money for us to communicate. And in our engagement with the Parliament and Treasury, we are saying IDC requires money or funding for us to engage with stakeholders, for us to invest in communications, both getting the gadgets, getting the right people to run our communication, so that at any particular time we're able to give Kenyans the correct information and to clarify certain information that may not be true that are likely to affect the ability of the Commission to discharge its mandate, which is to conduct elections, supervise elections, and of course referenda. So it's in that respect that we are saying, as we move towards 2027, we will improve our capacity to communicate, our abilities to communicate. We will invest in the right tools. We will invest in the right personnel, but also as a cost-saving measure. We will also, that's why we partnered with the Media Sector Working Group, which brings together the Kenya Union of Journalists and the Editors Guild and the media owners. So through that kind of partnership, we would be able to disseminate the correct information at the correct time to Kenyans. And so we believe we will continue partnering with the media, even during our elections.
Tomorigeria tugosuka mutwe nigo mosemia boromora ibense haret jigai nera bolia baswati kwenekia buna kubatabari kurana wesokia asobonge iribanyari bakwerigeria ebirogo ao imense asoga bolia baswati kwenekia buna kuchebari kunyara bagusirana chingakaya kwane taiga asomo cyo Nairobi chingakya kwana nibyegwa gochia asaba swati bari bagenda tego kolibia wetira asebyombe nabego chesemo au.
Women's empowerment is giving someone permission to believe that her future can be different. Because once a mindset is shifted, everything changes. A woman who believes she can succeed begins to take risks. She starts a business. She applies for loans. She goes back to school even at 60. She speaks up in the boardrooms. She contests for leadership. And above all, she mentors other women. Confidence creates courage, and courage creates change. Because every time we celebrate one woman, hundreds of young girls quietly begin believing. They say, maybe that could be me one day. That is how role models work. They don't just inspire, they expand what others believe is possible. Let's inspire them by celebrating each other. Allow me to leave you with this thought. Success becomes far more meaningful when someone else rises because you reached back. As an African proverb reminds us, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with others.
Whose hand are you holding? Whose dream are you nurturing? Whose door are you opening? Whose name are you mentioning when opportunities arise? If each one of us committed to mentoring just one woman every year, Africa would never suffer a shortage of leaders. That vision cannot become reality if women remain spectators during elections. I therefore call upon every woman in this country to take a vote. Go and register. Go and vote for your chosen leaders. Support competent women. We don't have a shortage of women in leadership. Encourage young women to seek elective positions. Campaign for inclusive leadership. It's not a one-man show or a one-woman show. Democracy works best when women participate fully, not only as candidates, but as voters, organizers, decision makers, and change makers.
Manjuito murigeria buno bosemyo bya gukia somwana omunyarukana baiga basibati menseito ya Kenya kurento gosiko mutwe omuraibe kyama gya DCP rigatigashagwa nererigagende tukoyemochye serikali asagoteba buna yendo kyabetera kabaga kurusi wabisi nigo ababunge banyarita bagwakanu kibesa iri banyari bakomurusi yabisi niga yakwane tayari tkurigoro chikakyatebete buna nigara chkwirana asekigambero anyarega kwegwa engere omanchito murigeria Turaya kigeria gatiara nyatka gukwana buri tkurigoro chinga kiabetega komochia omuraiwense negati y'ababunge imeyense ya Kenya chinga kiboigo ari kumwarigania omugavana bwe county ya Nyandarua uryo nyatega kurukurwa sikiama kya UDA na goswa sikiama kiria kyae ya DCP.
Junet Mohamed amesema walipewa pesa wanifukuse. Jalango jana amesema walipewa pesa wanifukuse. Kila mtu walijua, lakini wameanza kusema. And we are asking our courts, our judges, to take judicial notice of what these people are saying. Because they live in this country. Beef wanasema hadharani walihongwa kutufukuza kwa ofisi. Then the judges must dispense justice. Kama huyu gavana angetembea na mimi 2 years ago, angekuwa amemfunga na kumwekelea makisi ya uongo. Si ndio? The same with the governor wa Kiambu, the same with the governor wa Murang'a. So mimi nilielewa. Na hao magavana tukaongea quietly, nikaambia nyinyi, bora hampigi sisi na hamusaliti jamii. Fanyeni ka. Akikamatwa tu tufunge barabara zote and bring Nyandarua to a standstill. And bring the rest of the mountain to a standstill. As well as Nairobi.
I'm here na sirudi nyuma kwa sababu nyinyi mumeongea. Watu wa Nyandarua wameongea na wameongea kwa sauti kubwa.
Hata nani akija hatuwezi wachana. Na mimi nataka kuomba jamii ya Wasomali, Aden Duale asitumiwe na William Ruto kuunganisha nyinyi na business partners yenu. Kwa sababu Ruto akienda lazima tuendelee na biashara.
Nabigo mgiria tugosika mutweni gabari kurwase kiama kia ODM bagendete gukwanira igoro yo kwerobya kwabo bashikonyana bagutwara chinkwana ni kiama kia UDA asibatebire amaganiya bugukia serikali ayo batayitanyare kawikirana wachori bo makogocha utarekirana.
We are not going to allow our party to be swallowed. Our party will be distinct. We shall continue to be one as ODM, and we shall come out of this affair much stronger. When Moi thought he had swallowed us, and we killed our party NDP, we came out much stronger in LDP.
You sacrifice the entire heshima na value ya chama ambayo tulijenga for a long time. This party is here to stay. This party is not going anywhere.
Unless Mheshimiwa Ruto aamue asiwe candidate wa UDA akwe wa ODM. Ndio tutaweza waachia udeputy. Ama Kindiki aamue awachane na mambo ya UDA ingie ODM, ndio tutaweza achia yeye udeputy.
I am more than confident that ODM is going to form the next government.
Jito murigeria no tugokorera samagania yoye kiama kia ODM kwenda yanda mange no nyerwo kuyasanga chikora Chinsa 10 no yomitoli net nyambane nabigo ensemo ya maragwana Chinsa isato chamaragoba no nyera sobagare no yomto Clinton ondige kurenda sponi go machito murigeria yanda kwiroberia nabigo gochengere mero betu meta Senget Soka TV na roboro subo mogusibu na butambe chengoro kodana ndemo nande tumerene ankyo asomoroberio boito na butambe nabiga semese ya Amayia nande bego twaro maso omororo.
Eye nen soko